Today, you will learn how to change default heading styles in Word. First, click the Home tab. In the Styles group, you'll see styles like Heading 1 and Heading 2. To edit one, simply right-click Heading 1 and choose Modify. If you want to edit other heading levels, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the Styles pane to open the Styles pane. If you don't see all the heading styles, click Options. Change Select Styles to Show from Recommended to All Styles, then click OK. Now you'll see all 9 heading levels. Right-click any heading style and choose Modify. In the Modify Style window, you can change the font, font size, font color, bold, italic, underline, alignment, and other formatting options. You'll also see a live preview of your changes before you save them. At the bottom, choose whether you want these changes to apply only to the current document or to all new documents based on the same template. If you're not sure about the other settings, it's best to leave them as they are. When you're finished, click OK. Your updated heading style is now ready to use, and every time you apply that heading style, Word will automatically use your new formatting, keeping your document consistent and professional. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.